Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home. I just want to give a quick tip regarding interior doors. Now, every once in a while, you're going to run into a door like this, a small door that's going to have access to your attic. If you have an attic with an HVAC unit that's inside the attic like that. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they put an interior door, which is a hollow core door. Treat this as if it was an exterior door. You need a solid core, not a hollow door. Hollow door. You want something that's got better insulation. And if you do that, I came up here when I was inspecting this house just before remodel, and I stood right here, and I could feel the heat temperature of this door. And you put your hand in there, and we're talking attic right now, and it's warmer in there. The air is warmer than it is in here slightly. And you don't need that affecting the house, especially in a hot desert climate where you're trying to save utility costs. Quick tip, I didn't do this on a first home I remodeled. It was an old Pioneer home. I just put in some interior doors and they're hollow and they still are there, and I really want to replace them. Had I known this in advance, this was 20 years ago, I could have been more efficient on the design of my bonus space, which has access to attic, which has direct access to the heat of the attic. So remember, don't put a hollow interior door, treat it like an exterior door, and you're going to save yourself a little bit of utility and a little bit of headache. This is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home.